Welcome. In the next few minutes, you're going to harness the power of positive affirmations to transform your life. By applying this belief system over just 5 days, you can begin to shift your mindset, open yourself to new possibilities, and manifest your desires. Let's begin by setting the intention for the next few days and getting ready to see positive changes in your life. Take a moment to get comfortable, whether you're sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, slowly filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold for a moment and then exhale, letting go of any tension in your body. As you breathe in again, allow yourself to relax deeper with each exhale. Feel the peace and calm settling into your body. Now, let's begin to open up to the power of positive affirmations. Over the next 5 days, your goal is to use affirmations that will help you visualize and manifest your desires. Affirmations work by repeating positive beliefs that align your thoughts and actions with your goals. Trust in this process and know that with consistency, you will start to see results. The first step to visualizing successfully is to understand the belief system behind affirmations. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you believe something is impossible, it will be hard to make it a reality. But if you believe that anything is possible, you open the door to unlimited opportunities. Your thoughts are powerful, and by changing your thoughts through positive affirmations, you can begin to change your life. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that help shift your mindset. For example, affirming "I am worthy of success" or "I am capable of achieving my goals" sends a message to your subconscious that you deserve the things you want. Start by repeating these affirmations daily, allowing them to sink in with every repetition. Over time, you will notice a shift in your perspective and how you approach challenges and opportunities. For the next 5 days, remind yourself of the power you hold. You are not only capable of manifesting your dreams, but also deserving of them. Visualize your goals daily and allow the affirmations to align your energy with your desired outcome. Now that you understand the power of affirmations, it's time to incorporate them into your daily routine. The key is to affirm your goals and desires with complete faith and belief. When you affirm positive statements like "I attract success effortlessly," "I am deserving of love and abundance," or "my dreams are already coming true," you start to create a new narrative for your life. Write these affirmations down and repeat them at the beginning and end of each day. As you speak them aloud, feel the words resonate deeply within you. Imagine your goals already being achieved. Feel the excitement, the joy, and the gratitude as if they have already manifested. This feeling is what attracts your desires to you. By the end of the 5 days, you'll begin to notice subtle changes. The key to this process is consistency. Each day, as you visualize and affirm your desires, you build stronger belief and trust in the process. Affirmations are not just words, they are energetic frequencies that you are sending out into the universe. As you use affirmations, you must also engage in the practice of visualization. Visualization is the process of seeing your goals as already achieved. Picture yourself living the life you desire. Whether it's financial abundance, better health, or fulfilling relationships, visualize every detail vividly. Imagine the people around you, the experiences you're having, and the joy you feel as you manifest your desires. The more real you make your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. For example, if you want to manifest financial success, picture yourself waking up in the home of your dreams, feeling at peace and prosperous. Imagine receiving an unexpected check or hitting a major career milestone. By visualizing regularly, you train your mind to focus on the positive possibilities. Your mind doesn't differentiate between real and imagined scenarios, which is why this technique is so effective. Each time you visualize, you reinforce the belief that these goals are achievable and that they are already in motion. Consistency is the most important factor when it comes to using affirmations and visualization to manifest your desires. Set aside time every day to focus on your affirmations and visualize your goals. Whether it's 5 minutes or 30 minutes, create a dedicated space for this practice. By repeating your affirmations and engaging in visualization every day, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe in your goals. As your subconscious mind begins to accept your affirmations as truth, you'll start to notice subtle shifts in your life. Opportunities will appear and you will feel more confident in taking inspired action toward your dreams. Keep in mind to stay consistent even if results don't appear immediately. Trust that your efforts are building a solid foundation for long-term success. Your thoughts and feelings are creating your reality, and the more consistently you affirm your desires, the closer you will get to manifesting them. Visualization is not just about seeing the end result, it's also about feeling the emotions that come with achieving your goals. When you visualize, immerse yourself in the feelings of success, joy, gratitude, and peace. The emotions you feel during this process amplify your manifestation power. For instance, if you're visualizing financial abundance, feel the excitement and relief of knowing that your financial worries are behind you. If you're visualizing love, feel the warmth and connection that comes from deep, fulfilling relationships. Your emotions are magnetic, they attract what you focus on. To maximize the effectiveness of your visualizations, make sure you connect deeply with these emotions. The more vividly you feel them, the quicker your desires will begin to manifest. Keep reminding yourself, I am worthy of all the good that comes into my life. Along with visualization, affirmations should become a part of your daily routine. Each morning and evening, affirm that you are worthy of all the success, love, and abundance that you desire. Repeating affirmations such as I am worthy of all the good that comes into my life, or I attract abundance in all areas of my life, aligns your energy with these desires. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more your subconscious mind accepts them as truth. Your thoughts and beliefs begin to shape your reality, so it's essential to affirm what you want to create. With consistent practice, you will notice that you are attracting the circumstances and people that align with your desires. Gratitude is a powerful tool when it comes to manifesting. Take a moment every day to appreciate the things you already have. This helps shift your focus from what's missing to what's abundant in your life right now. When you're grateful for what you have, you invite more blessings into your life. Say to yourself, I am so grateful for all the good that is already in my life. Feel the gratitude deeply, acknowledging the abundance that surrounds you. Gratitude opens up space for even more prosperity and success. The more grateful you are, the more the universe will send your way. Trust is essential in the manifestation process. Trust that your efforts are working, even if you don't see immediate results. The universe is always working behind the scenes to bring you what you desire. Sometimes it takes time for your desires to materialize in the physical world, but trust that they are already on their way. As you continue to affirm, visualize, and feel gratitude, remain open to receiving. Let go of any resistance and allow yourself to receive the blessings that are meant for you. Trust that the universe has a perfect plan for your life, and everything is unfolding as it should. Accept a mindset of success. Believe that you are worthy of everything that you are manifesting. Affirm daily, I am successful, I am abundant, and I am deserving of my dreams. This mindset will support you in remaining focused on your goals and confident that your desires will come to fruition. The key to manifestation is knowing that it's not just about saying words, it's about truly believing in them and aligning your energy with them. By doing this consistently for the next 5 days, you will start to see tangible results. To effectively manifest your desires, it's essential to identify and remove any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Limiting beliefs are negative thoughts or patterns that prevent you from believing in your own potential. These beliefs might sound like, I am not good enough, I don't deserve success, or money is hard to come by. Such thoughts can be deeply ingrained, but they can be overcome with consistent effort and self-awareness. Start by acknowledging these limiting beliefs whenever they arise. Simply observe them without judgment. Once you recognize these beliefs, you can begin to replace them with positive affirmations that align with your desires. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, I can't afford it, replace it with, I am abundant and I attract financial prosperity effortlessly. Repeating these positive affirmations will help overwrite the negative programming in your mind. Another powerful technique to remove limiting beliefs is through visualization. Imagine yourself living the life you desire, free from any limitations. See yourself achieving your goals, living in abundance, and enjoying the peace that comes with knowing you deserve it. The more vividly you can visualize this, the more your subconscious mind will believe it to be true. Journaling can also help identify limiting beliefs. Write down any negative thoughts that come to mind and then consciously rewrite them as positive affirmations. This simple practice can help release any doubts and replace them with empowering beliefs that support your success. Removing limiting beliefs is a process that takes time. Be patient with yourself and trust the journey. The more you work on replacing these negative beliefs, the more you'll open yourself up to receiving the abundance and success you deserve. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and visualizing your desires, it also involves taking aligned action. Once you've affirmed and visualized your goals, it's important to follow up with actions that move you toward your dreams. The universe responds to your energy, but it also responds to the effort you put into bringing your desires into reality. Start by taking small, inspired actions each day. These actions don't need to be large or overwhelming, they simply need to align with the vision you have for your life. If your goal is to attract financial abundance, for example, take steps to improve your financial literacy, look for new income opportunities, or review your budget and make necessary adjustments. Every action you take toward your goal strengthens your belief in its possibility. It's also crucial to trust your intuition. Sometimes the right steps might not be immediately obvious, but as you tune into your inner wisdom, the path will become clearer. Trust the process and know that every step you take brings you closer to your goal, even if it doesn't always look like it on the surface. Manifestation is a co-creative process. You align your energy with the universe, but the universe requires you to show up and take inspired action. Your efforts, combined with the power of your beliefs and affirmations, will create the momentum needed to bring your desires into your reality. When you consistently take action that aligns with your desires, you reinforce your commitment to your goals and accelerate your manifestation process. The more you act with purpose and clarity, the more you'll find that opportunities begin to present themselves effortlessly. As you continue this practice, trust that your desires are on their way. With the belief system and affirmation shared today, you're on the path to manifesting everything you've been dreaming of. Thank you for joining this powerful journey. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more content that supports you in manifesting your best life.